Tonight on the Sports Network, we are going to see several clips of Newton's first, second, and third law. In this first clip, we see Newton's first law shown by Boston Bruins right wing Milan Lucic hitting goaltender Ryan Miller in the Bruins vs. Sabres game. This shows Newton's first law. Newton's first law states, also called the law of inertia, every object continues in a state of rest or uniform speed in a straight line unless acted on by a non-zero net force. The property of body to resist changes to its state of motion is called inertia. Inertia is shown by a moving object being stopped by another moving object. This is also shown by Brian Urlacher, linebacker for the Chicago Bears. This next clip is a group of Ferrari race cars. They are showing Newton's second law. Newton's second law states acceleration is directly proportional to the net force acting on it. Mass and acceleration are inversely proportional. The Ferraris show that as more mass equals decrease in motion. Although all these cars have the same mass, if a car was different than the other, the car that had more mass would be going slower than the car with less mass. This shows also that 2 times the mass is 1/2 the acceleration. The next clip shows a BMW race car also supporting Newton's second law. The BMW race car has more mass than the Ferrari. Therefore, the BMW is not able to go the same speed as the Ferrari will. This also refers back to the property of Newton's second law that 2 times the mass is 1/2 the acceleration. This third clip is now representing Newton's third law. Newton's third law states that whenever one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts a force equal to the first. This is shown that in a home run hit by David Ortiz, the force from the pitcher and the baseball exerted on the bat from David Ortiz is going to be equal or greater. Ortiz has a greater force acting upon the ball, as it is also able to send over the wall of the Fenway Park. Another group of clips shown is another clip of a home run hit by Giancarlo Stanton. The same properties are shown in this.
Team leader in RBIs as he drives this one out to center field. Kane moving back, he pulls up. This one is gone. Wow, a huge monster. Trumbo swings to the first one, drives one out to center. Forget about this one. Gone, a big fly for Mark Trumbo is 30.
Fly ball center field. Rasmus going back and looking up, and that ball is gone. A blast. The straightaway.
Drilled out into deep right center, and that baby will go to the back of the bleachers.